let's migrate this. And I know this table is very basic right now, but as the project grows, we will keep adding more fields. So right now we only need the project name. Later, as we need more fields, we will add this table, add to this table. So yeah, so PHP RDC migrate. Okay, so you see, uh, yeah, two more tables added. Yeah, so we created these factories, right? Can add some seeding data here, project name, and it returns an array. So can use faker. Yeah, so yeah, let's check the faker documentation. What we need is some kind of word, something which looks like project name. Okay, word is project is uh, we can use this. So have two words for now. Yeah. For task we have body. Can again use faker here. Sentence and skip it. What this video is completed at. We can keep this null for now. And PHP. No. We can add this. We have to add this to the Zeta, right? So how to do that? Yeah, seeding, right? Seeders, we roll test. Okay, like this. We created the factory, but not the seeders, right? So yeah, we should do that. Project seeder and task seeder. Here we add like this. No need this. So this is project seeder, right? So let's keep like you're working on 5 projects. Project. Let's import this. Okay, I will import it. And same here for the task. Task 50. Okay. You might have noticed we are missing something. So we like I told you that a task is to be linked to something. Otherwise, it's an issue. So You have to add one more field here called the project ID, right? So that's a uh, foreign ID. Yeah. So now the project task is linked to a project. So we have to update the factory as well for this project ID. And now let's keep it static to one. Okay. Okay. So now we will create 50 tasks. Link to project one. Right projects. You can keep the project as okay. Let's keep it five only. Okay. Factories are good. Seeders are good. We have imported uh, task. I always keep the model name to be singular because it represents an entity. I've seen many people keeping the model name to be plural like tasks. I don't prefer that. Yeah. So this done. Now let's put this on in a factory like this. You can always keep open the documentation. It's very good. Okay, so there is no user seeder as well. Let's create 10 users as well. We can remove it from here. This was project seeder, get seeder. This is task seeder. Okay. Okay, so we create 10 users. We can create one only right now. Project seeder. Yeah, yeah. This is done. PHP artisan DB. Or you have to uh, refresh the table as well. So you can do one thing, migrate roll back. Okay, now again PHP artisan migrate to get the new field. You can check that it's yeah, you got the project ID. Now PHP artisan DB seed done. Let's check. Yeah, 50 tasks, one user, five projects. Nice, cool.